Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to make presentation slides on Canva. As you see here on the main page of the Canva, you have templates, or you can search for presentation here on the search bar. Then choose a template you want. Be careful because some are free and some are paid. Let's choose this one for example and click Customize this template. Here you see your presentation slides. You can customize them. Also, you can delete one if you don't want. Or you can add any pages you want. If the presentation is ready, you can just click Present button up here. But this is basic presentation without any animation. Let's do it also. Down here, you have timer and duration of the slides. Our slides are for example for 5 seconds each. We wouldn't change them. To animate slides, go here where it writes Animate, and choose an animation you want. Okay, then let's see how it looks. Nice. Now, if you want to download the presentation, go here on Share. Click Download. Here you can choose file type. You have PDF file, PowerPoint file, video file and so on. Also, you can share the presentation on social websites. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.